syukur nak keslem jong unausan Hima.
Menteri ke kia ke Dr. Maisel Ampareen lingdo hakas nginingkong kalapli paitba ya ke intensified IEC campaign ni ke jingalang pun sloto paitba hakas ngirakhe ke International Youth Day kabalong hasusutam Auditorium State Central Library Khyllung. Hagani ke jingalang pun syai paitba lawan banyak simbenta da barok ke district jong ke jela bat ke jing temu kalong ban ai jing tem bat pun sloto igi paitba syapang ke jingpang HIV bat ki jak jingpang ki baya bit ni ka jing shongka pathar ni ka sexually transmitted infections ka jing tmu jong ka ni kalong ban ajing tip shabaro ki benta jong ka jilla kamtam shiki samla ban pensungoto yaki shapang ka jingpang HIV bat STI kini ka jing alang kalong ru ka jing persang jong ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ban yada na ka jing sapriang jong kenyang jingpang HIV bat ban pensungoto ru shapang kini ka jingpang kapang pedeng ka balabu honu snem hakabade ka jing rakhe ke International Youth Day kadai from clicks to progress youth digital pathways for sustainable development nalor ka kongsan hakni ka skil don langru director ka DHS Dr. FV Khyllung ka project director ka Max ka Dr. Bet Bara Di Cruz haga jinga don lang ki khna school na ki college ba pher bat kiwei
Okay, start. AG on. Nangne AG PB one round select. You can open your umbrella. You can open the umbrellas. Open the umbrella. You can open.
Those who declare the judging online and team.
Ida yung isa ibing try kim pen priang ready kile ka jing bom tem te I hope if ki nom thau jing roi pori khasi go jungi next nga thrai ki ban prakhat pha ki ban pet ya ka ten rai kim de bakin shukran gruma te first of all I'm really grateful the MSLP with the Meghalaya State for Positive People as the health promoter. I used to provide counseling for people living with HIV. We went to the field to find out the loss to follow up people who are not coming to the treatment. Today, we celebrate the power of potential and passions of youth around the world. This is the International Youth Day. It's a reminder that we, the youth, are not just the future's leaders, but also we are the present maker. We are the ones who dare to dream big, who challenge the status quo, and we demand a better world. We are the innovator, the creative, and the problem solver. As young people, we face unique challenges, but we also possess a unique strength. We are adaptable, resilient, and connected like never before. Let's break down this barrier, the challenge stereotypes, and uplift one another. Let's be the leaders who inspire, who motivate, and who empower. And here I would like to give my journey. You know myself, I'm a youth living with HIV. I'm the face among the youth living with HIV within the state. Not only within the states, I am the face of youth in the Northeast. Because I have friends, I came from a village where I have to come here in the cities, I have to start my studies, my further studies. And I met a new friends, and the friends of mine, they offer me a biri. On that time, small biri. From biri, because my mom taught me that, I came from a Christian family where my mom taught me that if you smoke, if you do any bad things in life, you will be committed a sins and you will be sent to hell. And I'm scared of that. And because I'm not telling that I'm having a bad friends in life, there is no bad friends in life. It depends on you how you tackle it. But through my friend, because they call me Kikintay, that I'm the secret, they can tell me biri, they can tell. So because they have caught me, I'm a girl because I didn't smoke. I start to smoke at a very young age. That also I start taking from biri to cigarette to ganja, and ganja to alcohol, and alcohol I end up taking drugs at a very young age. After days went by, because I came from a village where my parents loved me so much and they give me money whenever I ask, I started demanding money from my parents. My parents, they give me money without asking. If the parents here, please be careful with your kids if they ask money. Please do ask. My parents, they did that, they never asked, what would you spend it? Why you need money? They just give it. But you know what? Till 2013, where I have to go back to my village, where I'm waiting for my matriculation exam, so I have to go back to my village. I knew it, if I go to my village, I won't get drugs, for sure. Because, you know, people, the Khasi people, the Khasi community, where we have that strong belief where if any one of you who did something wrong, where you brought shame to the family, you should be cut off from the family. I have faced that. But only my mom and my dad, they stand on my side where they say, no matter what, who he is, he's still our son. Me by my name, not only my name, if they call by my name, Kaldi, so I'm feeling good. No, they call me with a bad name. No one want to be friends with me because I'm living with HIV. You are strong, you are capable, and deserving a lot of love, care, and compassion. Don't let HIV define you. Rise above and thrive. Remember, HIV is not a death sentence, just like I'm thinking. First, when I came to know about my own sickness, I thought I'll be dying within 1 month, I'll die. I told my mom that please give me a time. I'll eat, I'll drink, I'll do whatever I want because soon I'll die. I don't know that I'm still alive till then. I'm healthy, I'm handsome than before. You know, HIV, it is a wake-up call to live a life to the fullest. And I'm living proof. And I want to convey a message to the young one, to the people in this room. You have heard my story, especially these young kids here. You have heard my stories, right? I started taking smoking because I want to please my friends. So I want to tell you, please don't please your friend. Even though she is your best friend or he's your best friend, please don't please your friends. Please please your mom and dad. Because at the end of the day, see, all my friends, they now, I don't know where they are now. My best friend. And I'm living alone now here in the platform, or just standing alone. All of them, they disappear. The people that I call best friend and the same people departing behind my back, they want to kill me. So please, say no to any of substance abuse. To the young girls and boys, say no to sex. It's not the right time for you guys also. Otherwise, kama ka sa shusha ong shong ka patar le patar yo HIV patar sniu bo a. So, ni banong gunda im kujungin live a life, be careful with your life, love your life. And I want to say also, don't look down on your friends. If you have a friends who are living with HIV, encourage them. I told you guys, right?
Which is a 2-month-long program all over the states to empower the people with the knowledge about their own health status and where they stand, especially with regards to HIV status, especially for the high-risk groups, because to protect not only ourselves but also to our dear and loved ones. Lack of awareness not only puts individuals at risk, but it also contributes to continued spread of the virus. Ignorance about HIV is a dangerous thing. It fosters stigma, discrimination, and fear, which in turn discourages people from seeking testing and treatment which they need. Awareness is crucial to dispel myths and misconceptions, replacing them with the facts, and that a clear understanding of how this virus is transmitted, how it can be prevented, how it can be treated is very, very important. Knowledge is truly power, and in this case, it is the power to save lives. We must reach out to our communities, in the workplaces, schools, and homes to spread the message about the importance of HIV awareness and testing. We must work together to make HIV testing a routine part of healthcare, just like how we go about every day in our lives to go for a BP check or to get a flu shot. There's that support widespread and affordable access to HIV testing and treatment. This includes ensuring that testing is available in all the healthcare settings, including those in the remote areas and in the underserved areas. We must also push for removal of barriers that prevent people from seeking testing, whether they be financial, cultural, or social causes. In closing, I would like to remind that HIV is not just a medical issue. It is a human issue. It affects our families, friends, colleagues, and our communities. By increasing awareness and promoting regular testing, we can make a profound difference in the lives of those living with HIV, and we can work towards a future where the virus no longer poses a threat to public health.
Kidei kaporba nakabenta kalaway jongkari. Nakatakadaw kalong kabadon kam Palat. Baki kun samla Joshua kisnutho siya pang kajimpang HIV/AIDS. Menay kardenas ilapan sutho ini. Ya kata kajing shisha. Ba kibriu kibaim batuni uknyang jimpang. Kidon lakahok banim. Nakanyang jong kasoka. Yapi kibadon kata ka challenge bapipang HIV/AIDS. Sabi ki people living with HIV/AIDS. Nakanyang kasoka. Gin persyangkat balak bandon nakabenta jongpi hakajing im ke jongpi bat pi ki kon ki badang puli haki school ki kerdan puli ki baper to shim ye kani bakani kede kata kerensan hakaba andon banyak khana bat pi ban pensyai pi syapang kata ka HIV/AIDS. Napreng kita kibangila tipshay kibade ki HIV/AIDS people. But kabak ham kuslay but ham katang mensim yani kum ka sarkar kalong. Kum no pan ngin yoi bat yakando yaki weipan kibatang yakat testing ru kimpatre banle. Kanu ka sarkar habakadon kanu ka problem. Habdon shwa kipat shong snong kiban tre bani tre lengkat ban penbeg ya kata ka jingduna ka basdang ban telep ya ka jella ka jongi barokaway. Nginum la ban mudur ba kani ka jingpang HIV/AIDS kam kata tang ya kita kibab yo yung miuk nyang jingpang rega kata ru ya ki kun ki kti ki jongki but ha ka jella barok away tang na preng ki bangila shai but tip don lakumno sau spa tam ki Khyllung ki kena ki bapang HIV/AIDS ladakung kinong song jong kajela ngikwa ban bet ekari kabaning kong kalong ban khot ban yawer ban council ya baro kita ki vulnerable groups ki badon saudong jongi ban wan sakman ban tesno ban tipno nakabashay laga ki day ki people living with HIV/AIDS. Kabaong ikadalos kaday kabashisha. Kamday kajing shisha. Bayagi bapang HIV/AIDS. Habbo sa kendong bat kang yaki hakoy kakamrang. Kiniru ki dei ki nong song snong ki badan ya na ka jong ka hok. Ban yo ya ka jing im ka bapura. Bat ngi kum ka sarkar bat ki nong song snong jong ka jela. Ngi dei ban wan syakmat. Ban yarab. Ban tip. Bat ban syarai pat kumno ban le. Nakabenta ban pendo jat ya ka HIV AIDS. Haka jela ka ba ka jogi. Ngamas no ban be ban yarap ban ya syakmat jong ka HIV AIDS. Ni don kam kerke ye ki kon samna jongi. Bakin ya khana syapang kilat jing ai jing yana. Bon sin ngim klong ki bakloy kinong song snong ban ya khana. Bon sin ni ong nai kren syapang ka HIV AIDS. Henry ngasno baladangi kum ka sarkar ni la ban le ban rat ding khong ya ka jing pang HIV AIDS. Ni don kam shwa ya ki nong song snong ki bela pengkre ka jing mut ka jing perkan. Ban yarap yani ban lung ban lang ban research bat ban wan kumno bat ka ni don kam ban le ban pe baka jela ka jongi ni handle lani ni face ya ka jing shisha baka HIV AIDS kalong ka next big threat ka jing pen ma ya ka jela jongi hi borok away ladaton kino kinong song snong ki badon kam ban lek ya ka testing ngim dei ban shim ya ki ngim dei ban nyak ya ki shushu syakawai ka kendong ka bedum ya ki ngin sedang shwa ya ka ni da ka bangi sensitize ya ki health and care givers haki caka basumar baper jungi IDHS bat kitim jungi pi dei ban wan ka kapaduna haki CHC ki PHC ki health centers ki ba pentet sajnai ya kum kini ki nong so snong bat wan lam shu ki jingma na ka benta sa imlang salam haka jing long nong song snong jong ka jela hanga haki skor jong ngaru langa dei ne ngam dei kanong yalam jong kari ya ka jing ya tu kana kumno Kibayo ya ka HIV AIDS tengkat tang manlek banwat ya ka sumar ka sukir ka badai ka hok ka jong kiru jaka ai sumar ki jong ni teng ki kentat ki ni dei ban pensenge kata ban ladadan kino ki healthcare providers haka system ka jong ni ki bang kloy panyara dei ban shim action ki nama lada kinos ki doktor kinong ay sumang dana dito kim kloy ban kren toy lele upay ba uba sunget ya ka hamsaya basya pengop kumboong ikadenes ki dakan kinong di drugs kini kita di badan kami kejeng yarap kujungi bat mau pikikon ki badan haki school pen baka generation next yung kanong gajela ka yung kanong longkota kanong day gajela ka ba buok put bat kabamkloy banyaram kabalong judgmental kata ka ba nga smosi kata babon na pinang yung ngimkwa ban singap ngimkwa ban kana bat ngimkwa ban kren i Dr. De Cruz ka team jong fi kam day tang ban supunyati di program nan ngakuang kontip kano teli ki tes ki bakile ki batmai ki bawat ban shem ya kita ki badon yaw liu knyang jengpang ki bamtip bat ki bala pan penpoi haka vulnerable situation ya ka yen ka sem ya ka community bro away. Kawai ka message ka banga ai kung ka menteri jom ka kot ka kya ya ki long shong ka jela Meghalaya. What team? Let's check ma. One, ya ka status ka jom pi. Lada pi don ha iwe na kita ki groups jom kita ki long shong Kiba nga bandon ya ka HIV/AIDS. Nakalyang mojongi na pasorkar ni kmi ipet ya kata ka sustainable development growth. Kamdan jengut ini ladani ya cakmat manong in ay ka jing sumar rei habadon kang nong shong pan. Bon na pedeng kita kiba pek bakmi ya ka ni kakam ki hekti bat ki kentat.